Hello, this is Richard Collins, your instructor in ATM 101, Weather and Climate of Alaska, here at the University of Alaska at Fairbanks. Welcome to Unit 8. In this unit we continue our study of precipitation and begin our study of wind and weather. The investigation this week is our most ambitious field experiment where you investigate the properties of snow. The snow investigation can be a lot of fun if you stay warm and dry. If you get cold and wet, it can be miserable. Please plan ahead before you head outdoors. You may want to enlist the help of a family member or friend as a field assistant. The reading for this week is Chapter 8 of Weather Studies and Chapter 3 of Climate of Alaska. The subject of Chapter 8 of Weather Studies is wind and weather, and how wind arises and the processes that control its speed and direction. The quick answer of how wind works is as follows. As you know, the sun heats the earth unevenly. The equator is warmer than the poles. Land can be warmer or colder than the neighboring sea. These temperature differences result in pressure gradients, where the pressure varies with horizontal distance. These horizontal pressure gradients drive the winds. The mechanism is consistent with the behavior of heat. Heat is a form of energy that flows from hotter objects to colder objects. The winds carry heat from warmer regions to cooler regions. One important point is that pressure gradients in the vertical are much larger than pressure gradients in the horizontal. Pressure gradients in the vertical are balanced by gravity. In the vertical we have 500 millibar change in the bottom 5 kilometers of the atmosphere, giving a gradient of 100 millibars per kilometer. If such large gradients existed in the horizontal, our current hurricanes would look like gentle breezes compared to the superstorms that would result. Typical horizontal pressure gradients are on the order of millibars per kilometer. The subject of Chapter 3 of Climate of Alaska is precipitation. The chapter highlights again how precipitation varies enormously across the state, from less than 8 inches on the coast of the Arctic Ocean to over 300 inches on the coast of the Gulf of Alaska. Being Alaska, any discussion of precipitation also focuses on snow. This chapter completes our study of water in Unit 7 and lays the foundation for our study of water and climate in Units 13 and 14. In the lecture screencast for this week, I highlight the key themes of the unit. The lecture explores wind processes more deeply than the textbook. I recommend that you watch the video before you jump into the reading. The lecture highlights the concepts that are important for the quiz. Don't forget to complete and submit the concept questions. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me or the teaching assistant. Thank you and good luck.